Crypto.com, Crowcoin holders. We're seeing Crowcoin and really the entire traditional market and crypto market taking a little bit of a sell-off, a little bit of a beating today. What comes next for Crowcoin? We got to be talking about this. So without further ado, welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel now. Anything I say is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. This is for entertainment purposes only. Let's hop in this video. All right, guys, we're going to start off here on Twitter. Follow me at 333Blacksea. I say, are you buying this Crow dip? In the comment section below. I've seen some people talk about how they're not buying it. They just will accumulate through their staking rewards when they're using their Crypto.com Visa credit card or debit card. And some people, they're just staking, and other people are buying. Quite frankly, what I'm doing right now, guys, I have a few 100,000 Crow. I was going to say I have a lot, but it's subjective. Some people have millions. Some people have billions even. I wonder who that could be. Well, Trump media guys accumulating literally billions of Crow, insane. But I have a few 100,000 Crow, and I'm going to continue to accumulate through the staking rewards, through using my Crypto.com Visa debit card, and I'm going to just be waiting for the right time to be taking some profit out. But probably when we go over $1, I do think that it's still on the table, but we're going to break that all down. But really right now, guys, look at Crowcoin. This is the daily time frame. What are we panicking about? What are we freaking out about? Look at this massive green candle from the bottom here. We're talking about a 391% gain. Like, it's insane. And obviously we are seeing a little bit of a sell-off, and that's A-okay. After you see a 400% gain, it's okay to have a 30% drawdown. You know, you look at the 4-hour time frame, and from all-time highs of, I should say, from the local high, because all-time high was around $1, we're down about 28% after a 400% gain, guys. Okay, I see some people panicking, freaking out, saying, oh, it's all over. Whenever Crowcoin makes a move to the upside, that's the end of the bull market. Come on, guys. Come on. It's just because something happened last cycle does not mean it's going to happen again this cycle. Usually things rhyme, but guys, we still have time. We're seeing Bitcoin break down. September is always bearish for crypto, and I do think that right now we can have a little bit of a sell-off after a massive 400% gain. That's fine. That's perfectly healthy, actually. If you look at Market Cipher here, you see the money flow is increasing to the upside. You have red dots on top of a momentum wave. Yeah, we're due for a little bit of a sell-off, especially of a massive volume squeeze like this when we were chopping sideways from really the beginning of August up until August 25th before we saw this huge impulse wave with that news from Trump media accumulating and creating a Crowcoin treasury. Guys, there's going to be buy pressure. There is going to be an increase in the price of Crowcoin. Now, this is not financial advice, guys, but I put my money where my mouth is, and I do believe that Crowcoin will increase in price, and I am still in my Crowcoin long position. If you guys do want to trade, feel free to check out in the pinned comment section or description box below. We have a $100,000 deposit bonus to BitNext, as well as $10 for free when you sign up. And on Blowfin, we have a 10% trade rebate and a $5,000 sign bonus. Check out all those awesome affiliate links down below. It really helps support this channel. And take advantage of the promotions, guys. If you're already trading and you want to learn how to trade, they've got demo accounts. Check it out. All right, so Cronos is sitting at rank 19. We came up all the way to rank 17 the other day. And like I said, we're down about 15.87% in the past 24 hours. But guys, up 82% in the past 7 days. Pure strength. That is very, very strong. And really, it's like the shining beacon in a sea of red, an ocean of blood, if you will, in the crypto market right now. Everything else is red. We're seeing Bitcoin break down a little bit, and it's spooking the market. But guys, that is just the way it goes in the cryptocurrency space. So Cronos is sitting just barely below a $10 billion market cap at 27, basically 28 cents. And now I will say, I do think there's a possibility that we retest the 212, but I do think that would be, I would voice some caution if you're waiting to buy at that level. Now, I'm not going to tell you when to buy, or I'm not a financial advisor, right, guys? But I think that waiting out for 212 is risky. I think that we probably bottom out before that. But time will tell. My validation for this continuation of the upside would be basically if Bitcoin, it's all on Bitcoin and macroeconomics. So we'll talk about that here shortly. You look at Bitcoin, we're at $108,000. Ethereum at $4,300. Bitcoin dominance basically still where we're at from this entire week, around 57.5%. When you're excluding stable coins, we're basically at like 59, 60%. basically where we're at. And what does that mean? Well, that means, in my opinion, that there's some strength here, and this bull market's not over. I can't believe there's people calling that out right now. The bull market's over. Guys, we've got Q4. We've got the Federal Reserve that is getting ready to pivot to quantitative easing, more rate cuts, more free bankers' money. And what does that mean? That means more liquidity in the asset market. And as well as it means, really, I hate saying it, but devaluing the dollar and inflating asset prices. And guys, Crowcoin, Bitcoin, crypto, those are assets, right? And I do think that it really depends on where Bitcoin goes here in the, I don't want to say the short term, but in the next month or so to where Crowcoin will go. And I do think that, guys, we could come all the way down to 105,000, really even like back here, probably like 104,500, and still be in bull market price structure, all right? So I do think that, like you can see, we're wicking down below 110K, going to spook everyone out. I think there's a good chance that we just see a bear trap get placed in here, and then we move into Q4 and make new all-time highs. So I'm putting my money where my mouth is. I'm in my Crowcoin long position still. I've been high leverage scalping a lot of other alts, and I'm still buying Bitcoin every single day, guys. Let me know if you like this type of content. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel right now. Check out all those awesome affiliate links down below. It really helps support this channel. And we're going to be really active in our private Discord, so become a member on the channel, and I'm excited to talk with you guys. That's all I got. I'll see you next one. Bye-bye.